Hi, this is Lucy L. Lucy, and I'm here to tell you about another movie I saw, and this one was called The Adjustment Bureau. And it's not about furniture, and it's not about a dresser, and it's not about tight underclothes. It's about some people who are angels, maybe? You don't know. And what they do is they tell Matt Damon, wear this hat and don't talk to Emily Blunt. Probably because she's married to Jim Halpert. But anyway, he says, I'll wear your hat if you want, but I'm going to talk to Emily Blunt because she's on the bus, and I like the bus and I like her, and how come you never let me see her? And they say, well, you have to go in and out of some doors, and it'll take you to important places like stadiums and the Statue of Liberty and some restaurants, but it doesn't take you any place that tourists would not recognize, and that's very important because it's your adjustment. And he says, well, I want to dance, and she says, well, I have to dance. And so he watches her dance, but he doesn't dance, even though he says he does. So they do that, and the angel hat people keep saying, would you stay away? And the angel hat people have these books that are just amazing. They're like these graphs, or like these motherboard things, and they have little dots and circles, and the lines move across, and then there's dots, and it's people you think maybe, but you don't know for sure. But there's one hat angel guy who's you know, it's funny because he's the only black one, but he's the one who says, break the rules, Matt Damon, break the rules, Matt Damon. And you know, why is that the only black one, and why is he saying that? Because he's the only one who wants to break the rules? It seemed funny to me. Funny like strange, not so much funny, ha ha. But anyway, so he breaks some rules, and then they say, well, God says you broke the rules and we'll just change the game. And then they do that, and he kisses somebody. I'm not going to tell you who. And then well, another thing is that the hat angel people, they were all guys. Every one of the hat angel people was a guy, a man. What? Why? What does that mean? Where are the girls? Where are the women? Are they devil angel hat people? Or what? It's confusing because Emily Blunt's not bad, but there's like no women, and everybody who follows the rules is white and male, and it's so confusing because it's like about hat angel people. So you're thinking, well, this is going to teach me a lesson about life, maybe about how to wear a hat in the nicest way. But you can't, you know, who can learn, how many people can learn things only from white guys, you know? But Matt Damon is good, and Emily Blunt is good, and all the acting is good. And the little book things are really just so cool. I wish I had one. I guess it tells you everything that's going on everywhere at all, ever. And that's really cool. So, okay, that was The Adjustment Bureau, and it's with Matt Damon. Thank you for watching. This is Lucy L. Lucy. Bye!